Hello everyone. Today we are going to see another question on LeetCode, and that is pseudo palindromic paths in a binary tree. So first we will read the question. Given a binary tree where node values are digits from 1 to 9, a path in the binary tree is said to be pseudo palindromic if at least one permutation of the node values in the path is a palindrome. We have to return the number of pseudo palindromic paths going from the root node to leaf nodes. Okay, so let's try to get what the question is trying to say with the help of an example. We are given a tree, and especially we will be given the root of the tree in the question, and what we have to return is the number of pseudo palindromic paths that are from root node to the leaf nodes. बेसिकली स्यूडो पैलिंड्रोमिक पाथ क्या है? स्यूडो पैलिंड्रोमिक पाथ एक ऐसा पाथ है जिसको अगर आप फॉलो करो तो जो आपको नंबर्स का सीक्वेंस मिलेगा उसमें माइनर चेंजेस करने से वो पैलिंड्रोम बन सकता है. ये होता है डेफिनेशन ऑफ स्यूडो पैलिंड्रोमिक सीक्वेंस और पाथ. सो इन दिस एग्जांपल यू सी हमारे पास ऐसे तीन पाथ्स हैं. इफ़ यू गो फ्रॉम 2 3 3, if you go from 2 3 1, if you go from 2 1 1. Okay, so we have three paths over here, and out of these three only two are pseudo palindromic paths. Why? 2 3 3 can also be written as 3 2 2 3 2 3. Okay, and 2 1 1 can be written in the form 1 to 1. I told आपको थोड़े से चेंजेस करने के बाद एक पैलिंड्रोम मिल जाता है कि नहीं. ठीक है, पैलिंड्रोम इज नथिंग बट उसके लेफ्ट में भी सेम कैरेक्टर्स होते हैं और राइट में भी सेम कैरेक्टर्स होते हैं, जैसे 3 2 3 1 to 1. ओके, so these are palindromes. So we have to return the number of pseudo palindromic paths from root node to leaf nodes. So सबसे पहले इस क्वेश्चन में जो हमारे दिमाग में आता है वो है डेप्थ फर्स्ट सर्च. If you don't know about depth first search, then no worries because I am going to add the link in the description box. Also बहुत ही ईजी सा कंसेप्ट है. हम क्या करते हैं, हम ट्री में नीचे की तरफ मूव करते जाते हैं और फिर हम लोग लीफ को ढूंढते हैं. एक्चुअली लीफ नोड क्या होती है? लीफ नोड इज नथिंग but we will check whether at a particular node the node dot left is null and node dot right is also null. So if this condition holds true, then the particular node is known to be a leaf node. Okay, so first we will have to find these paths, and out of these paths we will have to find which is a palindrome. So if you think, what we are going to do here is that we need that each and every number in a path should be at most one times. What I'm trying to say here is that every number in a path, if it comes at most one times, then it can be said as a pseudo palindromic path. तो अगर आप लोग थोड़ा सा सोच सके तो हम क्या करने वाले हैं यहाँ पे, हम ऐसा करने वाले हैं कि हम एक पाथ में जो भी एलिमेंट्स आने वाले हैं हम ये चाहते हैं कि सब या तो इवन टाइम्स आए, मतलब 2 4 6 8 ऐसे आए, और अगर ऑड टाइम्स आए तो ऐसा सिर्फ एक ही नंबर हो या फिर हो ही ना. ये हमारी चेक प्रोसीजर रहेगी. तो वी आर गोइंग टू डू दिस. फॉर एग्जांपल इन दिस एग्जांपल you will see 2 3 3. So 3 is coming 2 times and there is just one number, that is 2, that is coming for odd number of times. Okay, so this is the mind map that we are going to use in solving this particular question. And also for this question I am going to use something called as set. Set is has got a property that it does not contain any duplicate elements. You can find this in the collection framework in Java and in other languages as well. That's not an issue. So this numbers is going to be my set, and I'm going to include the elements in the set if they are not present in the set, and if I see a particular element the second time, then I'm going to remove that particular element from the set. Okay, so this is going to be the procedure that I'm going to follow. Also along with this I'm going to have a depth first search, and I will use a recursive function call to traverse this tree. So that is how I'm going to solve this question. Okay, I think in this particular question we can get more understanding of it by seeing the code. So that is why let's see the code. In the code what I'm doing here is that I'm using a helper function, that is can be palindrome. I'm passing the root here and also the set of which I have discussed in the approach part. And in this helper function I'm using recursion. Okay, you can see here recursion. Okay, so when we use recursion, सबसे पहले हमारे दिमाग में जो बात आती है वो ये है कि बेस कंडीशन क्या होगी. Whenever we use recursion we think about the base conditions. Okay, when do we have to terminate the recursion, right? So first base condition is very simple, and that is if node is equals to null, then we are going to return 0. That is self-explanatory. Okay, and and what are we actually searching for in the tree? हम क्या ढूंढ रहे हैं? हम ढूंढ रहे हैं leaf node. What is a leaf node? Leaf node like 3, 1 and 1. These are the leaf nodes of this tree. So how can I check whether the node is leaf node or not? I'm simply going to check the left is null and right is null, and if both these conditions are true, then I'm going to do something. We'll discuss about it later, but these are the two base conditions that I'm going to use here. And now let's see the code more properly. So what I'm going to do first is that if I see that a particular value of node is not present in the numbers set, then I'm going to add it, and if it is there, then I'm going to remove it. This contains method is telling me whether this value node.value is present in numbers or not, and if it is there, I'm going to remove it. Like if we have 3 and I come on this 3, then I'm going to remove this 3 because this is not of much help for me now. Okay, and if it is not there in the set, then I'm going to add that in the set. Okay, so that is how I'm going to work. And if I see I conquer a leaf node, then I have completed a path, and that is why I'm going to check whether the size of numbers set is less than or equals to 1. In the beginning of the question I have discussed that what we are going to check is that ऐसे कितने numbers हैं जो कि odd number of times आ रहे हैं, तो वो at most 1 होना चाहिए. तो इसीलिए हम लोग चेक कर रहे हैं कि वो 1 से छोटा है या इक्वल है. तो if this condition holds true, that numbers dot size is less than or equals to 1, then we are going to return 1. That means that we are going to add this in the output, and that is why output will get incremented by 1. And if it is not true, then we are going to add 0, so it is going to be false. And then I'm going to have a recursive call over here because I have to check this for the left subtree and the right subtree as well. So that is why I'm using int left equals to can be palindrome node dot left, because this is going to be my route for traversing this, and new hash set, but the variation here is that numbers. I'm passing this numbers set along with this, but in the first step I didn't pass the numbers. And int right equals to can be palindrome node dot right new hash set numbers. And at last I'm going to have the sum of all the paths, all the palindromic paths, pseudo palindromic paths in the left and the right. I'm going to sum them and I'm going to return that. Okay, so I think that we should also see this with the help of an example. If we have this example, let's try this running on this code. So first I will be given the root equals to 2 and new hash set which is blank. So this condition is not true, this is also not true, so this condition holds true, right? The number set does not contain this, so that is why I am going to add 2 in the numbers value. Okay, and then I'm going to check whether that is leaf node or not. So that is not a leaf node. I'm going to proceed again ahead, and then I'm going to pass node dot left in the can be palindrome recursive call. And so here I'm passing 3, and here I'm also passing the set which is already containing 2 in it. Okay, so this will call again this function, and that is why I'm going to check again for that. So if node is equals to null, no. Numbers dot contains node dot well, so is 3 present in the set? No, 3 is not present in the set, so this is going to run. तो 3 उसके अंदर आ गया, so my set is containing 2 and 3. Then next what I'm going to do, is this a leaf node? No. So again we come here, so again we pass the recursive call, that is 3 ka left and that is 3 again. So we went ahead and we are checking, is this null? No. Is 3 present in the set? Yes. So if 3 is present in the set, then I'm going to remove that particular element from the set, and that is why my set is now just containing 2. Okay, and I'm checking whether this is leaf node or not. So this is a leaf node, and then I'm getting the size of numbers set. So numbers set is equals to 1 because only one element is present in the numbers set, and that is why this condition holds true, and that is why we are going to get here 1. Okay, similarly we are going to do it for another elements of this tree, and we are going to get this path, and that is why we are going to add 1 again. So we will have answer 2. Okay, so that was all about this code. Thank you.